How to make $100 of sales with Wix marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Wix affiliate marketing and how you can earn hundreds and hundreds of dollars using Wix affiliate marketing. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before we begin, let me just show you what is the Wix affiliate marketing. Well, it's pretty simple. You become an affiliate with Wix, they will give you a link, and then you will use that link to promote Wix, and you will earn money in the form of commission through that link, which is pretty simple. So as you can see, in 3 simple steps: sign up, promote Wix, and get paid. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you with which you can promote your affiliate link with Wix. So let's go ahead and sign in. And over here, just simply continue with Google or Apple or whatever you want. If you don't have an account, you can sign up as well. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy about it. And if you click on the start earning button, you're going to be taken over here where you become an affix affiliate. So just simply fill out the general details over here, such as your country, the state, site information, your company, and all of that. And then just simply click on submit, right? So it's pretty simple. Here, just enter in your first name, your last name, your company name, your email address, your apartment or suite number, your phone number, the site information, site name, and site's URL. And then my site does not contain abusive contents. Check this form. And then over here, were you previously a Wix affiliate, then just simply click on no and agree to their terms and services, and you are good to go. So let me just put my site's URL over here. All right, so this is my website's domain. I know I just created it. I'm just simply going to put the URL over here, and I'm going to call it my site. And then I'm just simply going to click on submit. And once you've filled out the application, you will get this message right here, and then they will contact you soon. And once you've become an affiliate, you are good to go. They will give you the link with which you can make money. Now, let me tell you how exactly do you plan on promoting your affiliate link. So for example, we'll go over to YouTube. So on YouTube, if you just simply search for how to create a website over here, you will see you will have a bunch of different options, right? So these are all searches, right? So if you just simply click on any of these websites, let's search for this one, right? How to create a website for free. So you will see you have a bunch of different videos, right? Now, how do you plan on promoting it? So you will make a video simply like this, right? So if you were to search for how to make a website for free with Wix right here, then you will see a bunch of videos. So what you can do is just simply choose a video, right? Just watch this video on how this person has made this video, or similar to this one. You don't even have to make a 28 video, right? Just simply learn how you can create, website with this video. And then down below, you will see you will have your affiliate link. So this person has already, added his affiliate links right here, which is pretty interesting. If even half of those people, let's say even 30% of those people were interested in it, they would just simply click on the affiliate link and you will earn money through that affiliate link, right? So it's pretty simple, and you can make multiple videos on a single topics. Like Wix has a bunch of different options. You can exploit all of them: how to create a Wix website, how to make a blog, how to make a funnel page, how you can edit a website, how you can create a e-commerce platform, like a bunch of different topics that you can choose from. And then you can, go ahead and make a video on them, which is pretty simple, right? Think of it as of right now. Like, what am I doing? I'm just, recording this video on my computer, and I'm using this software right here called OBS. So just simply record your screen. You're going to need a computer. You're going to need this software and maybe a decent mic at best. And boom, that's it. You don't even have to show your face. Then make a bunch of videos like these people have. And then, you put your affiliate link down in the description. Pretty simple, right? Now you can do that, and you can even make like small TikToks on how to make a video and promote that on TikTok. And you can even create different blog websites as well, right? And then you can and put your affiliate link over there. So for example, if I come over here onto Google and I just search for how to create a website, and then I will have a bunch of different blogs over here, maybe even videos. And then when you click on these blogs, you can just simply read them and see how you can make a video, and you can input, your affiliate links over here as well, which is pretty interesting. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it, right? So if you were to come over here onto YouTube, if you think you've run out of ideas, just simply search for Wix, right? Then you will have a bunch of different videos that you can see over here, and then you can copy these videos. But don't just copy any of these videos, right? So what you're going to need to do is, if you just simply search for, let's say, how to create a website for free, then just simply click on filters, and over here you go with update time over here, update upload time, and then you will see new videos that have just been uploaded, and you will see the views and the amount of views they have and the amount of time. So over here, this person has uploaded this video in 2 days ago, and it has 123 videos. So if you were to go into their channel, and they have 128K subscribers, which is, and they're, most of these websites over here, most of these videos, they aren't related to tech as well. He just uploaded you know recently, so we can just skip that, or we can even take that as a great idea, which, because that person does not have any of those types of audience that would be interested in watching that type of video. So which means this title is a good title. Then you can just copy this title and create a video similar to that and move on. Same thing over here with the rest of these videos as well. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different options over here, like this one right here, 105 views a month ago, which is not good. This one has 700 views almost 3 weeks ago, so this could be interesting. Let's see how many subscribers he has, or this person has. Yeah, I think that, yeah, we can copy this title as well. So that's it. Pretty much that's it. Just go over to YouTube, search for the video that you would like to create. As I said before, Wix has a bunch of different options, right? You can compare Wix with other brands, with other website creating tools. You can compare them. You can make a review video. The possibilities are endless, right? So pretty much that's it. That's how you're gonna promote your affiliate link. And if you go with this route, you can even maybe earn a few extra dollars from YouTube as well. So, but your main earnings are gonna be through the affiliate program from Wix. So, and promote your affiliate link is if you would just simply make a blog website. Now, how do you make a blog website? Well, it's pretty simple, right? So you can come over here onto Wix website editor tool, or you can use WordPress tool or Squarespace, whichever one you want. It all depends on you. Your just main goal is to create a blog website and to put your affiliate links into that blog website so that you can earn money, right? So for example, if I'm over here on Wix and I just simply click on create a new website, and over here, these are some of the blog websites over here, like templates we can choose from, right? So I really like this one, so let's go ahead and view this one over here. If I click on view, it's going to open up over here, right? So this is how it looks like, right? So it's pretty simple blog, nothing too crazy about it. You can go ahead and put like your title over here, like how you can earn through affiliate programs with Wix, and you can down below, you can add more text files, write a proper blog, and then you can add your link. So for example, if I were to edit this website, it's going to take me over here onto the editor right here, and over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Over here, we're going to have our tools. So if I click on the middle, and if I were to like edit this out, all I would have to do is just simply double click over here, and I can edit the text, right? If I click over here, click on edit text over here, I can go ahead and start editing it out. So I can write I can probably write something like this, right? Earn $100 every day with Wix affiliate marketing. And if I were to add a link to it, all I would have to do is, for example, let's just take the link of this over here and call it like, this is our affiliate link, right? So if I were to edit this out, and if I were to add like a link to it, all I would have to do is click on over here, click on this link button over here, and over here I can choose which item I want, right? So I can choose a page, I can go with home, forum, or post. I can go with a post over here, and I would click on new window, and then I can go ahead and do that, right? So it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy about it. Maybe to a form page, new window, and boom, pretty much that's it, right? So nothing too crazy about it. It all depends on you. You can add SEO, accessibility, vertical text, and all of that. And pretty much that's it. That's whenever you add your link to a text, it's going to be highlighted. And then you can just simply publish it out. And whenever someone clicks on this link, they'll be taken to your affiliate program or the page where you are promoting the affiliate link. So where they can buy the, product. And that way you can promote your affiliate link and earn more money. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.